Air 2, go ahead.
Air 2, we're going to have to clear. We have a laser strike here. We have the subjects. They're on Jenna Court, right in the middle. If there's a unit that can slide by and assist us on this. Party's there. These guys are continuously hitting us here now, so I got 3 of them in the dead end of the court.
Oh, they're running now.
Okay, Air 2, he's over the fence. He's fled. He's dropped his laser. We're going to stay with the target. We know where the laser is. Air 2, they made contact, yeah.
10-4, thank you.
Just keep walking. About 5 feet, 4 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet. Should be right there.
Attached to an air gun, I believe.